Hi guys, my name's Daniel and I'm from AirCamp, and today we are going to be looking at family, and not just family guys, but we're also going to be looking at how to use the Saxon genitive when we talk about family. So let's get started. My mum and dad are called Carol and Barry. So these are the basics. We can say Carol is my mum, Barry is my dad. Now, we use the Saxon genitive to show possession with an apostrophe S. So I am Carol and Barry's son, or Carol and Barry are my parents. Now, we always put the apostrophe S after the last person's name. So it goes, Daniel is Carol and Barry, apostrophe S, son, okay? And we always pronounce it as well. Barry's son. Carol and Barry are Daniel's parents. Let's try it with some more family members, okay? So we have my auntie and uncle, George and Anne. So they're all brother and sister, right? So George is my mum's brother, and Auntie Anne is Carol's sister. My mum is Carol. So George is my uncle, Anne is my aunt, and my aunt, uncle, and mum are siblings, because that's how we say brother and sister, right? So my mum is George's sister, and my mum is Anne's sister, okay? But again, with that apostrophe S to show the Saxon genitive. So these are my grandparents. Yeah, that's my dad in the middle. So my grandma's called Beryl and my granddad's called Charles, and together they are Daniel's grandparents. So Daniel, me, is Charles and Beryl's grandson. So let's see if you can practice it with your grandparents. We could also say Daniel is Beryl's grandson, or Daniel is Charles's grandson. Or we could even say Charles is Daniel's grandfather. Beryl is Daniel's grandmother. Okay, so there's loads of different ways. Now, let's meet my auntie's two children, my cousins. So this is John and she's Victoria, and they're my cousins. Again, apostrophe S. Now, here you're going to see my uncle George, and John is John's nephew, and Victoria is George's niece. So again, apostrophe S. Now, George is John and Victoria's uncle. So again, we use apostrophe S to show possession, okay? We do not say George is the uncle of John and Victoria. Nope, we don't do that. We use the Saxon genitive every time because we want to speak perfect English. So what I'd like you guys to do is practice, and maybe you can tell us about your family. All right, guys, thank you so much. Make sure you get in touch with us. You can find us on Instagram and Pinterest, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys. Take care.